All right, Mr. Smith. Now I'm going to test your left ear. I'm going to insert super Earl headphones for your left ear. Once again, if you hear a tone, raise your hand. If not, keep your hand down. Now let me take these earphones off. All right, Mr. Smith. Your odometric results showcase that you have a mild symmetrical hearing loss. What this means is you can hear one-on-one conversations at home. However, background noise that you hear, say at a noisy restaurant, may be more difficult for you to hear. This would explain a lot of the symptoms of hearing loss that you explained to me.